My name is William S. Harris. I go by Bill, and I have been practicing law here in Tarrant County for 40 years. Okay. The question is, can you use your firearm to defend property? And the answer is, under certain circumstances, yes. Those circumstances are defined in sections 941, 942, and 943 of the Penal Code. Generally speaking, as you might expect, they are more restrictive than your use of a firearm or deadly force in defending a person, yourself or a third person. You may defend your property against certain specified crimes like arson. You may defend your property against trespass, although that is typically limited to the use of force, not deadly force. You may defend your property against a burglary in the nighttime. I believe or theft in the nighttime, with deadly force under certain circumstances. Everybody should read that statute, just like the self-defense statutes, with great care. And if you have any questions about them, if you don't understand, then ask a lawyer, and hopefully a lawyer that's conversant with the criminal law, not somebody that does title documents. But the important thing is that there are certain circumstances where you can use a gun to defend your property. You've got your own moral decision to make about what property is worth the possibility of taking a life or not, but those are not issues within the law. You do have some right to do that. Now, you also have the right, under certain very limited circumstances, to defend a third person's property. But it generally has to be a person who you have some duty to act on their behalf. A child, and you're defending their property. An aged parent, and you're defending their property. But just understand that even though that right is there, a grand jury and a jury and the DA and the court system are going to look very differently upon a use of deadly force to defend simple property as opposed to a use of deadly force to defend the life of a person.